Hey there, today we will be exploring the power of integrating the Nonprofit Success Pack, commonly known as NPSP, with marketing automation systems like Mailchimp and others. With each integration packed with over 250 pre-built automations, what is not to love? SyncApps bidirectional integration helps manage contacts, leads, accounts, and even person accounts, unsubscribes, fields, and segmentation effortlessly. Let me have John, our head of support at Cazoomi, show you around.
So I'll let John here, who runs our support out of the Philippines, kind of go through a demo. So John, I'll let you take it from here.
Yeah, sure. So again, this is John. So yeah, I'm sharing my screen now to show you how our nonprofit use SyncApps. So basically, here in SyncApps, we will be using our top integration, Salesforce Nonprofit Success Pack with Mailchimp. So here in SyncApps, so we have lots of nonprofit users. Their Salesforce Nonprofit Success Pack is connected to their website where all the donations and leads are coming from. So that when they set out campaigns, it would be easier for them to segment these going into Mailchimp. It would be also easier for them to identify which campaign should be targeted based on their segments. Now, here in step 1 of the setup, we have the segmentation feature where you can select specific campaigns, list views, or even check boxes. So this will create a segment going into your Mailchimp. Now, in this instance, I will be using campaigns. So as you can see, I have selected the campaign name Q1 Fundraising Test Campaign. And in step 2 of the setup, you have the segmentation method, where you have the control what type of segment will be created going into your Mailchimp. Now, I've already run the sync prior to this call, so let's take a look at the result. So as you can see, it was able to create the Q1 fundraising test campaign that I have selected in step 1 as a group, together with the records in it. Now, if you're not using campaigns, list views, or even checkboxes, now here in SyncApps, any workflow is possible. So let's take Packard Foundation, as this is exactly how their workflow works. So we have the feature name, filtering, and segmentation, where all you have to do is specify the segment name, because the segment name will create as a groups or tags going into your Mailchimp. So the filtering here will be the basis of only the records that we will going to pull from your Salesforce going into your Mailchimp. So I have 2 segment name here, which is donors above $500 and the donors below $300. Again, I already ran the sync prior to this call, so let's take a look at the result, where all of our nonprofits users really loves this feature, where it effortlessly capture all the segments they need.
Now comes the part that everyone loves. SyncApps lets you synchronize clean data. The days of straining yourself with removing tags and groups in Mailchimp to match your Salesforce records are history. Yes, you heard it right. SyncApps automatically removes tags and groups from your Mailchimp records the moment they are removed from Salesforce segments like campaigns, list views, and campaign record types. Mailchimp marketing metrics, unsubscribes, and bounces back to Salesforce are seamless. Lastly, SyncApps will impress you with its extraordinary features like custom field mapping and flexibility. As a cherry on top, you can even start it for free and yet won't lose your valuable data if you ever decide to call it quits. Now get started with this amazing platform and take your donations, grants, and marketing game to the next level.